thunderstorm heading in. About to find out how Kerry does. Look at it. While I'm here, this is just dishwater. Doing well. That is shit scaring me. We all know what Kerry's like in thunderstorms. Not very bloody good. But let's have a look. It's coming over well, isn't it? Looks like this in Sydney at the moment as well.
Maybe, maybe not.
Oh no, it is. Yeah, no, my son rang me to tell me Sydney, exactly the same. Sydney, Australia, exactly the same at the moment. So I said to him, I'll send you a video of what we're about to cop. So he said to me, Mum, you'd hate to be at home at the moment. All we're having is thunderstorms. Oh, it's winter at home, so...
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. But it's exactly the same as here during their summer. So... And I don't do thunderstorms very well. I can see me being curled up very, very shortly in my bed and not moving. Well, I hope it's not like this tomorrow. I want to go to Thorpe Park.
I saw the newspaper. Tomorrow it will be a little bit cloudy with sun.
Oh, that's okay then.
Okay, but Sunday normally with cloudy and a bit of rain.
Oh, that's all right then.
On the paper.
You never know, do you? I was going over to the theme park, Thorpe Park. It's where they've got all the rides, all the roller coasters and everything. It's called Thorpe Park. It's just outside London. Good for the little ones. So
now we go back to London tomorrow, and after we go to the, I don't know if the west or the east. It's different in English because we're from South France, and we go take the boat to go to Ireland after.
Oh, beautiful.
So we make a tour Ireland and
beautiful
on the north, back to Scotland, and then from Scotland. Scotland and go down.
Oh, lovely, yes. Well,
but if you come from